hesitate about my feelings for you. I've proven so many times and different ways to you. I hope somewhere deep inside you know that I love you. 'Cause whenever you come walking my way, I say, hey, 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 I love you till the morning comes. I say, hey, 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 I'll kiss you in the morning sun. Now it's not the right time to get serious. Now it's not the
Birthday, Auntie! Happy birthday, Auntie! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie! Yay! Auntie!
I miss you.
Me too.
God bless.
What's this?
Mama.
Mama. Happy birthday, Auntie! I miss you. Sana na makapunta ka na sa Philippines. Bye.
Happy birthday, Aunt Lay. Thank you for being always there. We love you. Mama.
Happy birthday, Liding. Please buy us food. Lukfu. We want lukfu for your birthday. Gusto namin patatim. Ano pa? Peking duck. Yun, gusto namin yan on your birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ng Led. Stay healthy always. Kahalong si mong work. Tagtanin magkabigo ka na. Bye! Hi. Hi. Happy birthday to you! Look there! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Malay! Say it naman na line.
Hi. Happy birthday, Ate Lady. Keep safe. God bless. Birthday to you. I love you.
We love you, Lade. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my lady. I hope you have a lovely day. 3, 2, 1. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Manang Lady.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Manang Lady. Wish you all the best. Keep safe and God bless po.
Have an awesome birthday, Ate Lady. Take care of yourself always. Stay healthy and keep safe. God bless with you, Ate Lady, and more blessings to come. I love you.
Birthday, Aunt Lady! Happy birthday, Aunt Lady! Happy birthday, happy Happy birthday, happy birthday, Aunt Lady. Flying kiss, Aunt Lady. Flying kiss. And clap your hands.
Yay! And wave bye-bye.
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 Say bye-bye.
Hi, Ibis! Happy 30th birthday! And all I wish for you is that tani magseryoso ka na para magka-boyfriend ka na. And ang silin bag ko ha. See you when you get home. Love you!
Happy birthday to you. Hi lads, happy birthday. Happy 30th birthday. Oh my gosh. Lampas na kita sa finish line. But it's okay. Damo man kita. So, anyways, I wish na tani ma-enjoy mong birthday mo subong. Just have fun. Hindi ka ma-pressure sa kung ano man natatabo sa paligid tayo. But yeah, just have fun. Wish you all the best, of course. Pero tani, makita mo na ang imo ginapangita soon. Just know na ari lang ko di permi if you need anything, if you need someone to talk to. Bisan busy ko lads, just one text away, a video call kita dayon kagad, whatever that is. Yeah, love you, miss you, bye.
Happy birthday, Bess. Promise next year we'll celebrate your 30th birthday, and whatever plans we made this year, we're gonna make it happen next year. I promise when everything is okay. Just enjoy your day, and I'll see you soon. I miss you.
Ginatamyaw ko ang akon ng isa sa malapit nga mga abyan dira nga si Lady Chelsea Belvis nga nagaselebrar sang iya nga kaadlawan sini nga adlaw. Ginapangabay ko nga sa adlaw nga ini ikaw maging malipayon kag bugayan ikaw sang maayong lawas kag maging madinalag-on sa sining tuig kag sa mga masunod pa. Pag ikaw tani maghalong gidira sa adlaw-adlaw nga tanan. Tani sa madason mo nga kaadlawan sa masunod nga tuig, makilala na namon ang magapasadya sang imo nga kasing-kasing. Hasta na lang diri ang nagapangabay ang imo amiga, Bea.
Hello, Auntie Lady. Happy birthday. I hope you're doing okay. Hope to see you soon. Be safe. Always. Love, baby Maddie.
Mahinhin, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. I was hoping we could celebrate our birthdays together this year, but COVID happened, so next year bawi kita. Our plans, hopefully next year matabo na siya. And then, I'm wishing ma-meet mo ng someone special for you. That's it. 2 more shoppings and less credit cards na balayran. Love you.
Hi Chelsea, hi sis, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Stay healthy, stay fab, and see you soon. I miss you. All the best. Love and kisses from the land down under. Love you. Bye.
Hello, lady. Happy birthday. Just continue to be a blessing to everyone, especially to your family and your friends. I love you so much. God bless you. And happy birthday. Stay sexy and pretty. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis. Wish you more birthdays to celebrate. And if I have one wish, tane magkamigo ka na. Kay hambal ni tita, damunuglaon ka nagid ko no. So wish ko nga tane makita mo na si Mr. Right. Kag, that's it. Pangitaan mo man ko happy birthday! Mwah!
Happy birthday, PS! We love and miss you so much!
Happy birthday, Cupcake.
Una sa tanan, ginatamyaw ko yung mga kaadlawan. Sa subong mga kaadlawan, wala man kuya regalo, kag hindi man kuya imbitado si mo kaadlawan, gusto ko lang mabalaan mo. Espesyal ka sa kabuhi ko. Happy birthday, sexy lady. Woo! 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 Woo!
Happy birthday, lads. Hope you'll have an incredible and fantastic birthday. Miss you and I love you.
Hi, Aunt Lade. Hi, Lade. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in this world. I wish you to be a good Aunt Lade and to be a good daughter to Mommy. I always pray that someday may maila man sa imo, nga i-accept ka kung ano ka man, tapos maabot kina sa tanan nga, maabot kini na siya late, kay always ina-pray to gini na kay Mama Mary. Don't worry, enjoy your life as a single, kay manami kung single ka, pero syempre gusto ko man someday may upod ka man at kag magka anak ka man. Tapos ano pa always I love you all, I love you and we miss you. Tani makapauli ka na and take care always. Basta, we love you and we miss you. Be a good girl all the time. Always behave as a lady. You're now 30 years old and I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much, Aunt